I would like to introduce Adrian Gonzalez from IDNEO, Development Manager.
Hello, everybody. My name is Adrian González. I'm member of the innovation team at IDNEO. And first of all, I would like to introduce you a little bit about IDNEO, who we are and what we do. So I'm waiting for, OK. OK, so we are an engineering services company. We are experts on developing technological products and digital services. We are more than 450 engineers, software, hardware, and mechanical engineers. And we work mainly for three segments, market segments. For the medical segment, we are developing, for example, pre-analytic systems for the in vitro diagnostic market. For the automotive segment, that we are, for example, working together with the EV companies, most of them in the United States. And we are, as a tier one, providing vision, control units, and mechatronic solutions for the autonomous vehicles. And also, we are working for the industrial segment, mainly developing IoT solutions. We are a global company. We are placed here in Barcelona. About 100 of our engineers are working together with HP in their facilities, but we have also facilities in USA and in Asia. One of our main values is that we can cover all the value chain. So we can help our partners and our customers from the conceptualization of a solution from the idea to the final product manufactured in our facilities. But of course, we can also help our customers only in one stage of this value chain. So we can maybe validate the electronic component in-house in our facilities. And talking about 3D printing, since we have an HP 3D printer in our facilities, this is one of our new services. But beyond being only a builder, let's say, of different parts in this technology, we offer to redesign and rethink the solutions in order to take the most advantage of this technology. And I would like to explain you an example of how this technology could help us to develop really good solutions. And actually, it was my really first project as a mechanical lead. It was a project for one of the main luxurious car brands of the world, for McLaren. And we developed a seat control unit. And for me, it was a really, really nice experience. But for the company, it was a really big challenge. Because we are talking about McLaren, so we are talking about design, about exclusivity, about customization. So we developed a really customization product where each part is different, where the effort, the stroke, the feeling of the buttons were totally personalized for McLaren. And of course, we are talking about low volume, about 3,000 parts per year. So it was a really big challenge to develop this kind of product with this low volume. So if we imagine, for example, what could happen if nowadays, with this technology, with this HP printer in our facilities, what could happen if we develop this project right now? Then for sure, we will save a lot of money in tooling investment, because we can print these parts, and we can save all these injection molding toolings. But as we said before, we can also redesign and rethink the part to avoid all these parts and maybe only have 3 parts that could be printed together in the printer. Of course, for the assembly line, it will be also a saving in terms of cost, because we don't have to assemble many different parts, and maybe we have only to assemble the main component with all the movements together with the electronics. And we can bring to a customer even a more customized and personalized solution. For example, the stroke, the effort, the feeling for each customer of McLaren could be different. So finally, what's what brings us to us this technology nowadays, that as an engineers, we can focus only on the technical resolution of the challenge without manufacturing limitations and promoting and fostering the creativity and innovation in this resolution. So thank you very much.